Lexus, known for its luxury vehicles that blend cutting-edge technology with elegant design, has taken its innovation beyond the road and into the world of art. During this year's prestigious Miami Art and Design Week, the automaker unveiled a captivating multisensory installation called Liminal Cycles, inspired by its all-electric LFCC concept car. This installation is a bold exploration of sustainability, design, performance, and personalization, for core elements of the Lexus brand. In collaboration with the Bratislava-based research and design studio Crafting Plastics, Lexus has brought an artistic vision to life using 3D-Printed bioplastics. The centerpiece of the installation is a striking car-shaped sculpture, designed to imitate the futuristic silhouette of the LFCC. But this isn't just any static display. Liminal Cycles is an interactive, living installation. Made from a proprietary bioplastic called Nuatan, the sculpture responds to environmental stimuli, shifting in color, expanding, and contracting, almost as if it were breathing. The material itself is a triumph of sustainability, crafted from agricultural byproducts, sugars, starches, and bamboo fibers, making it fully biodegradable with zero traces of microplastics. This bold approach to design reflects Lexus' commitment to both art and innovation. The concept behind Liminal Cycles is to engage visitors through all five senses: touch, smell, sound, sight, and even environmental interaction, offering a profound experience that blurs the boundaries between automotive design and artistic expression. Lexus has made the art of mobility something you can feel, see, and even smell, with each element of the installation responding dynamically to visitors' movements and engagement. The Liminal Cycles installation consists not just of the central 3D-printed sculpture but also several complementary satellite pieces that explore other facets of the car and its design philosophy. One standout feature is a steering wheel-shaped sculpture, which triggers sound upon touch, offering visitors an auditory experience that mimics the feel of driving a Lexus. Another piece is a delicate lattice sculpture that interacts with ultraviolet light and wind, revealing the Lexus logo in a mesmerizing display of motion and light. Perhaps one of the most unique aspects of the installation is a set of stools inspired by car seat headrests, which emit a gentle, Lexus-inspired fragrance when touched, heightening the sensory experience. Lexus describes the project as a way to express the brand's vision for future vehicles. The installation incorporates elements from the automakers developing software-defined vehicles, a concept aimed at integrating multisensory features directly into the driving experience. By blending art, technology, and sustainability, Lexus envisions a future where cars are not only modes of transportation but also integrated, dynamic environments that respond to the driver's presence and needs. The installation's innovative use of bioplastics and sustainable materials aligns with Lexus' long-term commitment to environmental responsibility. The dynamic qualities of the Nuatan material allow it to breathe, change color, and react to its surroundings, all while maintaining a minimal environmental footprint. This integration of eco-friendly materials and advanced design techniques demonstrates Lexus' dedication to pushing the boundaries of both luxury and sustainability. Along with the Liminal Cycles installation, Lexus has also launched a limited edition capsule collection of 26 collectible objects, created in collaboration with renowned designers such as Jermaine Barnes, Michael Bennett, Studio Kerr, Suchi Reddy, and Tara Saki. These collectible items, displayed alongside the installation, further enhance the brand's vision of merging high-end design with innovative, sustainable materials. For those lucky enough to be in Miami, the Liminal Cycles installation is on display at the Institute of Contemporary Art's Sculpture Garden until December 15. This unique, interactive art experience is not only a feast for the eyes but also a profound statement on the future of mobility, design, and the evolving role of luxury vehicles in a sustainable world. Lexus has shown once again that its cars are more than just vehicles, they are living, breathing works of art.